Hi dear Virgo, a very good evening to you guys. This is 7 days, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 13th till the 19th of Jan. You can take it as messages, guidance, warnings, or challenges or obstacles on your path in this particular week. Want to be a reader like me? You can start your journey by purchasing my course. Link is in description. Want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono? You can definitely start by purchasing the masterclass. It's very easy to understand and life-changing. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal reading, everything is given in the description box. You can book your slots. For any queries, you can mail us on the modernsanyasani@gmail.com. So let's start, Virgo. Let's see what's coming forward towards you for this particular week. The, the messages for you guys for this week. Let's see. We have for the 13th, we have the completion. So you're about to get a completion of a cycle in your life. Just do not give up. It could be a project, it could be your spiritual side, it could be anything that you're about to give up on. You will be able to find the missing piece of the puzzle very soon. So whatever you're working on, especially regarding your spiritual growth, keep on going because you're about to get the missing piece of the puzzle. There is a cycle that is about to be completed. Do not give up. Okay. 14th, we have the courage. So you might be in this energy of doing something that you were trying to do or you were thinking about from quite a long time now, but finally you are going to get the strength and the courage to do something that most people don't understand. Most people around you will not be able to understand. But once you are going to get the strength and the courage to do something, it will definitely give you good results in the coming future. So dare to be different and have the courage to do that. 15th, we have the aloneness. On the 15th of January, you are going to understand the meaning and true essence of aloneness. It's not you're going to feel like, oh my god, there's nobody like around me, there's nobody who's helping me, nobody loves me. No, it's like you are going to understand that you have to find your own path and you have to walk on your path alone. Nobody is going to be there for you to walk on that path, and you're going to feel like the moment you're going to start loving your aloneness and walking on that path, you will be able to see the light in front of you, right? Quite a deep spiritual message. 16th, we have the transformation. You are going through a period of transformation and change. It's going to be a little bit hard for you to connect with the new changes, the new energies. But the more you are going to stay in tune with your own energy, stay connected within yourself, the more you will be able to adapt with the changes very soon. It's all about Virgo 2.0, where the old self is dying and the new self is coming up. It's going to be uncomfortable, but the more you are going to stay in touch with yourself, the more it's going to be easier and better for you, and the more you will be able to adapt with the changes. Very good. 17th, we have the abundance. So on the 17th, you are going to feel very abundant in actually every area of your life, but this is related to your spiritual side. You're going to feel more in tune with the sunset and sunrise, the moon cycles, and within yourself you're going to feel like you're a totally abundant person inside out, and you're going to feel the little joy of life in a very beautiful way. Make good use of this particular day, because we as a human, we often don't feel these kind of abundance and prosperous kind of energy within ourselves. We are not talking about money here. We are talking about the inner abundance, the inner prosperity, inner happiness that we often don't feel, but you have the energy in this week. 18th, we have the past life. Something or someone from your past might show up in your life, not to hurt you or harm you, but this person or this situation is coming back so that you can heal it and release it properly, because this is something connected to your past or past life. And you might feel like now you have to face this situation or face this problem head on, because there's nothing left to run away from, or there's nothing that you can do or hide it from anymore, right? So you have to face something or someone from your past in order to release it and heal it properly in a genuine way. It's not coming to haunt you or traumatize you. It's coming so that you can heal it and release it properly. Try to understand the point here. 19th, we have the possibilities. On the 19th of January, you might feel doomed by the situation. You might feel like you're not able to see the light at the end of the tunnel. But once you will start going in on that path, it is going to be a difficult path, whatever it is, for your career, your relationship, or your spiritual growth. See, it is bound to happen. So the sun is going down right now, but the sun is bound to come back. So you will be able to see the light at the end of the tunnel very soon. Don't be in this energy of, I can't do it, I'm not seeing any possibility, this is negative, this is doomed. No, it's not like that. Just wait for the right time, and the possibilities will come in front of you. but do not give up, just keep going. Right. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste. Let's move on to Libra. Bye.